Get ready for an extreme chopped showdown.
I dare any chef to take me down.
I am unstoppable.
Victory is just my style.
16 returning champions. 5 grueling battles.
So glad that just happened.
Only one chef left standing in the end.
You gotta get through me first, homeboy.
I'm shaking so bad.
Who will take the tournament and the $50,000 prize? And who
I want it so bad.
will
I'm the best chef here.
be chopped? Can you stand the anticipation? 2 repeat Chopped champions have already claimed their spots in the $50,000 All-Star finale. Now, 4 new returning champions have arrived to exchange culinary blows in a passionate fight for one of the last 2 spots. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. However, if you win, your prize will be one of the 2 remaining spots in the grand finale competition, where you will compete for $50,000. Chefs, please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients for the appetizer course are Alaskan king crab legs, star fruit, bonito flakes, and Mexican chorizo. You have only 20 minutes for the first course. Clock starts now.
I'm gonna add the bonito flakes to get the salt level correct.
So my chorizo, I want to caramelize it and crumble it so I can commingle the flavors of the meat and the fish together and become like one great ragu.
I'm gonna do a king crab salad with star fruit and then a warm chorizo bonito vinaigrette.
I want to make ceviche because making ceviche helped me win the last time, so I want to do it again. The chorizo has to go on the plate some way. I don't know what to do.
I've always had the dream to open a little bistro restaurant with my husband and work for ourselves, and so I need to bring my A game.
Behind. I've got to start plating. My presentation has to be perfect. This is a championship title that we're all competing for.
As I'm plating this dish, I'm thinking, this lettuce is gonna be too delicate for this hot chorizo vinaigrette, but it has to get on the plate.
Chefs, you're just under a minute, 50 seconds left.
So I'm about to finish and garnish my plate, and I see the chorizo in the pan. I take one piece, I cut it, but I realize it's raw. Oh my God.
I don't feel like people are gonna finish.
Okay, chefs, 10,
I'm gonna just take the risk. I'm not put it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Lauren, what have we here?
In front of you today, you have a starfruit, bonito flake, cucumber, and mint soup with a crab, lime, and jalapeno salad.
Chef Lauren, thank you. Next up, Chef Jamie.
What I made today was sauteed chorizo with Alaskan king crab and bonito pickled starfruit.
Next up, Chef Laura.
I made for you today a king crab and starfruit salad with a warm chorizo and bonito vinaigrette.
Chef Miguel.
I made king crab 2 ways. One is braised with chorizo and bonito flakes broth, and the other one is ceviche with coconut milk, star fruit.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Miguel, you've been chopped. And then there were 3. Chef Lauren, Chef Jamie, Chef Laura, please open your baskets. The mandatory ingredients for the entree round are tile fish, fig cookies, caper berries, and squid ink.
Fig cookies. These things should be with a cup of milk by some 5th grader's bed, but not here, not today.
You have 30 minutes this time, starting now.
I've never made $50,000. I mean, I'm 27 years old and have been working as a professional dancer and a chef. But I'm ready to know what it's like. I'm planning to make a butter squid ink penne with olive oil poached tile fish.
My plan is to make a pan-roasted golden tile fish over a sweet potato and fig cookie hash.
I'm gonna make a pan-roasted tile fish with braised lentils and a squid ink sauce.
I'm taking the fish out of the oven, and it looks like it's cooked perfectly, but the skin is not crispy like I wanted it to be.
1 minute left, chefs. Chef Laura is searing off her fish again.
I just want to put the skin side down to give it that last crisp.
I taste my lentils, and I think they're done. I am so happy. I can feel that 50 grand. I can smell that money.
All right, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. So what are you serving, Chef Jamie?
Today I made a pan-roasted tile fish with braised lentils with fig cookie lardons, caper berries, and a squid ink sauce.
Next, Chef Laura.
For you today, I made pan-roasted golden tile fish over a potato hash with fig cookies, brown butter caper berries, and a squid ink reduction.
Chef Lauren.
You have a butter squid ink penne with olive oil poached tile fish, roasted tomato and caper berry with a fig and fennel crumble.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Laura, you've been chopped. Chef Lauren, Chef Jamie, it's time to go for the knockout punch. Got any fight left in you?
Better believe it.
Absolutely.
My edge for the third round is definitely my comfort with pastry. Girl knows her sugar.
Lauren, she's a trained pastry chef, but she's not gonna beat me.
Please open your baskets. And for dessert, you must use vanilla cognac, guava paste, barley flour, and duck fat. 30 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
Light bulb goes off. I'm gonna do a cake and substitute barley flour for the all-purpose flour. I'm gonna substitute duck fat where butter is and add a little bit of this cognac in.
I'm afraid that if I use just the barley flour, that it's not gonna hold together. So I wanna add some all-purpose flour.
You have got 2 minutes left.
I have no more time. I have to plate.
All right, the cake's coming out, the cake's coming out.
It's like the make or break moment for me.
Woo! God, I'm so glad that just happened.
Thank God those frickin' cakes cooked.
All right, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
I'm pumped. That's a $50,000 dish right there.
Chef Lauren.
I have prepared for you a barley cognac cake with duck fat, guava glazed bacon, and whipped cream. Please enjoy.
And now it's your turn, Chef Jamie.
I made a barley flour churro fried in duck fat with vanilla, cognac, and guava dipping sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jamie, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Lauren Gary, that you are, once again, the chopped champion, and you've just secured a spot in the grand finale tournament where you will compete for $50,000.
I really like winning. This is so good.